Canvas Studio can be a powerful tool for student collaborations on multimedia projects or assignments. This guide will walk you through the steps of how to create a Canvas Studio group, how to share videos you have created to your group members, and how to organize your group's media into a collection in your Canvas course. First, you are going to want to click on the Studio option in your Canvas course. In Canvas Studio, click the navigation menu icon, then click the Studio Settings link. Click the Groups tab. Click the Create Group button. In the Create Group screen, enter a name for the group in the Group Name field. To add a person to the group, enter the person's name in the Add People field. In the search results list, click the name. Group members display in the Group Members list. You can also view each member's group role. When you create a group, you are automatically added to the group as a group manager. Studio group users may have one of two group member roles. By default, group members are added with the member role. Members can share Studio Media content with other members in the group. Alternatively, group members may be assigned the manager role. Managers can share content with other group members, add and remove group members, and assign others as group managers. To change a group member's role, locate the user in the list and click the Role drop-down menu. Click to select a user role. Click the Save button to save your work. You can view your group in your Group page. In your Canvas Studio library, locate the media and click the Options icon. Then click the Share Media link. The Share Media page displays the People tab. To share the media with a group, enter the group name or ID number in the Type to Add People or Groups field. Then select the group name. View the added groups and individuals in the Shared With list. You can manage your group members' access to the media with the drop-down menu. Please note that the Can Edit option allows other members the ability to delete or download the media. To share the media with the selected group, click the Update button. In Canvas Studio, click the navigation menu icon, then click the Shared With Me link. On the shared media you want to add to a collection, click the Options icon. Then click Copy to My Library. Only media that is in your library can be compiled into a collection. A Copy to My Library dialog box will appear. If you have already created a collection, choose the collection from the Destination drop-down menu. If you have not created a collection, select My Library. Click the Save button. Navigate to the copied media in your Canvas Studio library. If it is not in a collection, you will need to create a new collection to keep the shared media organized. To create a new collection, locate your media and click the Options icon. Select Move To from the drop-down menu. A Move To dialog box will appear. At the bottom of the drop-down menu, click Plus New Collection. Enter the name of your new collection. Click Move. Your shared media will be relocated to the collection to keep all relevant media organized. Creating groups, sharing media, and organizing collections can be a useful set of tools for collaborating with other students on assignments in your Canvas course.